when oats, peas, and barley grow. Oats, peas, and barley grow. Do you or I or anyone know how oats, peas, and barley grow? Then the farmer harvests the seeds, stands around and takes her in. She hands her foot